I'm not even sure if I got PND. Hey, hold on, let me.
Bro, I'm excited, bro. I've
Let me hop in your stream on my Xbox.
I've been waiting to fucking open these forever, bro.
Bro, let me hop in your stream. I'm eating a Rocky Road ice cream cone right now.
I'll touch your little butt.
What's your Twitch?
Panda underscore HHH.
I'm in this bitch.
You're in?
Yep. I'm just not signed in, so.
I'm so like nervous, bro. Alright, bro. First one. Legendary? Alright, alright. That's low-key fire. That's low-key fire.
There's a delay, let me see. That's clean, that's clean, that's clean.
Alright, second one. Oh, give me I don't know. I mean, it's alright. Shit's low-key disgusting, not gonna lie. She looks like ketchup. I've seen better.
That.
I don't know. She looks disgusting though. Ooh, give me obsidian. Or black, or SMG-12 black ice. All right. So we're all right. Waste of a pack. Shit.
Fuck is that, bro?
Okay, Racer. Racer for the revolver. Not mad about it at all. Legendary. What the fuck is this, bro?
Hold on, let me see.
Yo, what is this shit, bro?
Hold up. Oh, hell no.
Bro, look at it. He looks so big, bro. Look at his arms. Ooh! Give me obsidian or I don't know. Alright, bro. Are we for real, bro? Yeah, bro. So we're trolling, bro.
Obsidian purple or legendary?
No, ooh, it might be legendary actually. Ooh, wait, this is low-key clean.
You only have 8,000 renown?
I did have 20,000, but I bought a celebration pack. Because I keep
like
buying.
100,000.
Well, I keep buying them, that's why.
What is that Jaeger skin? That's kind of clean.
It is kind of clean. That fucking bandit skin is not clean, though. I don't know about that one. Yeah, bro.
Oh, hell no.
Dust line. Like, this shit's ugly as fuck, bro. I'm never gonna use a sausage ever in my life. Alright, so we're actually just trolling now, bro. Where's the good shit? I thought this shit was supposed to be nice. Yo, we're actually trolling now. Alright, bro.
Jinxie just packed Chroma Streaks like casually.
I know, bro. Like, yo, can I get, like, some type of luck?
Huh.
Alright, bro.
Huh. What?
Please. Something nice, bro. At least the black ice, at least. Not even mad about it. That's looking kind of tough. All white. Give me obsidian. Oh, I thought I pulled obsidian. Oh my gosh. I thought I pulled obsidian.
Bro, that skin's from the battle pass, that 8-year-old flex shit.
Is it? Ooh, obsidian. Ah, this low-key kind of tough though. I kind of like this one. This one's tough. I don't use Fenrir, but it's low-key tough.
Alpha skin.
Alright, no way you just let that shit. Give me a black ice. I'm never using that shit, so. Give me obsidian. Bro, what is this, dude? What, are we serious, bro? I'm done, bro.
That cap skin's clean.
No, it's not, bro. I don't even use Cav. Alright, bro. These are just all ass now, bro. Like, give me something good. I have yet to get something good, bro. I got
That smoke
two
skin's
more.
clean. What?
I got Racer. Alright. That's all I guess. Last one, bro. If I don't get anything good for them, so I'm actually gonna get some legendary. Give me obsidian, please. These packs are fucking scams, bro.